Welcome back. Health Department of Lotolim inspected eateries near the church in Raya. Locals complained that it causes health hazard in the area as the food is cooked and disposed at the same place. The Health Department said it is duty of Panchayat to check the legality of the moving carts, but with regards to the sanitation, the eateries are safe. Interestingly, Health Officers team used an ambulance of the department for the inspection.
Health Department of Lotli inspected eateries near Raya Church with the Raya Sarpanch. Inspection was held following complaint from some of the locals saying that the eateries are operating illegally without any sanitation facilities.
Movable पहिले तेणी ते गाड्या पहिले वन हाडटाले आता तेणी ते सगळे परमनंट केले हिंगा आणि तेंगे उदो सॅनिटेशन उदो सगळे आता ही मोन्ना वचपा मोन्ना वाट कोण मरण वयता मिसा वयता हे वाटेर तेणी सगळे उदो हे होळयां सोडप आणि ही सगळी गाणी करप हे होळयां आमी पंचायत सरपंचाक सांगिल्लें बाबा ही गाणी जाता तेंगे मातशें काड वयल्या प्लास्टीक लायन ते सगळे हिंगा मायग्रेट रावले पूण तेंकां आतां एज मुवेबल तेंचे प्लास्टीक बीन घालपाक जाय तेका सांगिल्लें आमी पंचायतान सांगलोलें आतां 1 म्हयनो मायज जालो 2 एप्लिकेशन केली तेणी कांय तेजी एक्शन घेवना मागीर आमी सगळे ऑथॉरिटी फूड एंड ड्रग्स सगळ्यांनी हें चॅक केलें आनी ते फूड एंड ड्रग्सान सांगिल्लें तेंकां हे पिरमाण तुमी हे भाशेन तुमच्या गाडी चलोवपाक जायना तुमच्या थिंगा रांदूंक जायना सगळे हिंगा रांदताय सगळे हिंगा करताय आम कोणाचे पोटाचे वाड न्ही पूण तुमी हाड आतां मडगांव जाल्यार तुमी सगळे गाडी आसा ते भाशेन हाडे आनी तुमी घे.
The Sarpanch says that the action will be initiated if necessary. Sarpanch admitted that some of the gadas are operating without the Panchayat's NOC.
दोन्ही गाड्या दिल्या NOC दिल्ली की मुवेबल 4च्या 8 वचपाक म्हणून रातचे 11ची आतां तेणी कंप्लेन करून तेंकां सांगता आमी चोयतले तेंगे मिन्स कितें जाता ते प्रमाणे आमी तेंगे तेंगले रिवोक करतले NOC दिले बाकी आमी NOC दिल ना
पण आतां तुवें पयलीं तेन्ना मुवेबल आहा तें कांय कळना तुका
तो एक मुवेबल आहा आनी एक दोन्ही मुवेबल आहा पूण एकल्याच्यान शेळी गायलो आहा.
Health Officer of Lotli Health Center, Dr. Basavaraj Patil says, as far as the sanitation is concerned, the eateries are safe.
They don't appear to be movable. Otherwise, I feel sanitary point of view is okay, but they don't appear to be movable.
Illegal is not.
Illegal is not our concern. It is a panchayat's concern. So, from sanitation point of view, it's permissible this time. As of now, they have kept clean and everything. So, sanitation point of view is okay.
Interestingly, the health officer team used ambulance of the health department for inspection, actually meant for the emergency services. When questioned, Dr. Patil, this was his reply.
Doctor, you don't have a vehicle for inspection. I see, but it looks that it is an ambulance.
Ambulance is given for official purposes only. We don't have a vehicle. See, I am a medical officer in charge since 11. I don't know, so I have to know so many things. Only one vehicle is at our disposal. The other vehicle comes from an HRM, which we are using for other official purposes, essential activities.
So, you are using the ambulance for inspection purpose?
Ambulance is meant for, I think, office purposes only. I don't know. This is what I am a new. I have taken charge since last 3 days. Only, I don't know the details.
Savio Dice for Prudent.
Main road in the city of Margao is being dug by an unknown and authorities seem unaware. BJP leader Sharmad Raiturkar has demanded action for illegally digging a main road. He claims it's neither municipality's work nor the PWD's. The digging has damaged PWD water pipeline and is leading to traffic congestion in the heart of the city. PWD Margao municipality officials along with Sharmad inspected the site on Monday.
हांगा कोण तरी येता आनी रस्तो फोडून लोकांली उदकाची पायपलायन आनी सगळी बस्ट करून सोडटा फोडल्या नंतर डेफिनेटली सगळ्यान पयलीं आमकां दिसलें की बाबा कन्सर्न खंयचे तरी डिपार्टमेंट आसा जे घडी सारकी करता आसतले पूण आज एक गोष्ट लक्षात आयली की ही जी फोडल्या ही म्युनिसिपालिटीनूय फोडूना आमचो चेअरपर्सन हांगा आसा गोंजाग रिबेलो ताणें क्लॅरिफाय केलां आमचो ME आसा ताणें क्लॅरिफाय केलां की म्युनिसिपालिटीन हें फोडिल्लें ना PWDच्या वॉटर सप्लायाक आमी विचारले PWDचे बाकीचे रोड्स तांकांय आमी विचारले ते म्हणटा आमी फोडूना मागीर एक्चुअली फोडलो कोणें प्रायवेट खंयचीय पार्टी येवन भर बाजारान भर ट्रॅफिकांतलो मदलो रोड कसो फोडपाक शकता सो आय हॅव रिक्वेस्टेड म्युनिसिपालिटीचे सगळे ऑथॉरिटीकूय बी आय हॅव रिक्वेस्टेड PWD ऑल्सो to immediately file a criminal complaint against any private party who has dug the road विदाउट एनी कन्सर्न ऑथॉरिटीज परमिशन.
कित्याक पयलीं म्हणून जेन्ना शेनवारा रातचे म्हाका एक फोन कॉल आयली हिंगा म्हणचे ट्रॅफिक जाम जालें आमकां उदक बंद जालें आनी अशें म्हणटा तशें हांवें पुलिसाकूय कॉन्टेक्ट केलो कित्याक शेनवारा राती काय आमगे ऑफिसर कोणाच नाही. तेन्ना हांवें PI कॉन्टेक्ट केलो म्हणजे भाशेन काम चलता तें मातशें वचून चॅक करचें म्हण. मागीर तो म्हणून लागलो हें पळोवन गेलो म्हणजे PWD काम म्हण. सो मागीर परत मागीर एमी फोन मारलो एमी म्हणलो आमकां परमिशन कोणा दिलें ना. मागीर तर PI कितें सांगलें म्हणजे जरी तर PWD काम जाल्यार तेंगे वर्क ऑर्डर घे म्हण. मागीर तेन्ना PI म्हाका सांगलो लागलो तूं रिटर्न कंप्लेन कर म्हण. रातचा रिटर्न कंप्लेन कितको करता आमगे ऑफिसर कोण आसता रातचे ताका लागून तें काम चालू उरलें. आनी आतां हेजें कॉल्ड भाशेन PWDचें काम न्ही म्युन्सिपालिटीचें काम न्ही आनी तांकां डिगींग करपाक कोणें परमिशन दिलें ना. हेका लागून जेन्ना JCB कोणें हाडून JCB घाल्ली ताका जाता तितू बेगीन अरेस्ट करपाक जाय मुगे भाशेन.
FC Goa failed to score and settled for a goalless draw against Mumbai City FC in the ISL in Navi Mumbai on Monday evening. Both teams had a fair share of opportunities but failed to convert them into goals. With 1 point each in their kitty from this draw, Mumbai took their points total to 12 from 9 games, while FC Goa have 9 points from same number of matches. Mumbai stay 5th in the table while Goa are in the 7th position in the 8-team competition with 5 matches remaining.
Of course, FC Goa handed Delhi Dynamos a footballing lesson last time out. And this is a tough away trip again tonight. Zico's men will hope to hit the ground running. Robert Pires and Manuel Friedrich completing the formalities. With the last 4 at home, and we are underway. Mumbai City FC in control of the ball. They're all in blue. FC Goa in the white down slip, and Elka over the top and just over the bar. Team can open the scoring as it falls for Stohansel. Here's Osby getting up alongside him. The shot from distance and almost creeping in the corner pass towards goal. It was blocked. Pires back. Amanda could get the shot away. It breaks.
We've got a game we've got where you're not quite sure what the outcome will be. Here we go again.
Shot from distance. It's off the bar. What a shot from Moritz that was. Osby. He must be feeling it in this heat, Gary O'Reilly. He's run all evening.
And he's basically done all that running up on his own.
Romeo back to Osby, who thought about a shot, might go with the left boot. Does so Sabrata ball off the post. What an effort by Osby.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.